So let's make this flaky meat pie. So if you make your meat pie like this, I guess you would really love it and you always come back for more. So I started out with some flour. So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And then this is Diaryofacookbook. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So as I was saying, I added some flour, butter, some cold water, blended together. I would write the list of ingredients in the comment section and in the description box. Then divided the batter into two, added it with some linen, and then put in the fridge for about 30 minutes until everything comes together. Then I went on to preparing the sauce. So first thing I did first was the carrots, diced it into cubes, Irish potato, and with some pepper as per Nigerian meat pie that I'm making, with some chopped onions. Then I went on to taking my beef, my goat meat to be precise. Then I blended in the blender. After doing that, you can see how smooth it is, but you could use minced beef if that is what's available in your area. Added oil to my frying pan and added my chopped onions. So after adding my chopped onions, I went on to adding the minced goat meat. Then allow everything to be done. Literally allow the pinkness of the meat to go away and be properly fried. So if you've not subscribed at this point, please subscribe, like and share, and then I hope you make a comment. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. So I added some seasoning cubes, curry powder. You could add some other bits like ginger powder, garlic powder. Added my Irish potato, added the roughly blended pepper, and made everything to come together. Then I went on to adding the diced carrots. Then at this point, everything was coming together already, and the whole room was already full of aroma. Then I added a tablespoon of corn flour to start with, then added some bits of water to make everything to be slurry and come together. So I allowed this to be done for about 5 to 7 minutes. When it's properly cooked, I tasted and then set aside. So then I went on to bringing back the batter from the fridge. Then took out the linen to cut this into two, then make my dough shape from it. So after getting the rolling pin, I added some flour to the cutting board. You could also skip the cutting board and then do it on a plain surface or whatever feels comfortable for you. If you have a pine cutter, then it will make life much easier for you, but I prefer to use this as my pine cutter was very small, and then this is what I had available at the moment. So after using this, you could use bowl, you could use the cover of a small pot. So depending on the shape of the pie you are trying to make. So after doing this, then I added my beef and then every other thing that has been in the sauce. So you can see my beef, it was really tasty. Then covered up, and I used some fake to close the end together just to get that shape and then the closeness. So I was able to make about 4 to 5 meat pie from this, and guys, this is what we have. So I went on to making some incision with the fork just to allow the heat in from the oven to enter into it whenever I put it in the oven. So after making this incision on all of this meat pie, I would perfect it by adding some egg wash. So egg wash basically is like 1 yolk of egg with not a tablespoon, sorry, a teaspoon of water. So you can see what I was talking about. Then I washed it perfectly to get that flaky shape, and then to also get the fineness and to seal it. You could also use the egg wash to actually seal the mouth of the pie. So very soon I'll be making fish pie. So stay glued to my YouTube channel, subscribe if you've not yet subscribed, and then I look forward to seeing you more than this. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Then I went on to popping it into the oven 190 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes, and this is what we have: the flaky and perfect goat's meat pie. So then let's break it. Broken. Yummy. You can see that this looks so yummy and tasty. You could enjoy this.